Magandang hapon. Narito na ang 2 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Linggo, September 8, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw, 18 and 25 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw, 6, 4, and 1 in exact order. Antabayan na natin din ang 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto draw mamayang alas 5. At mamayang gabi, abangan natin ang Ultra Lotto 658 draw na may estimated jackpot of more than 142 million. Schedule ng Lotto draws mamayang gabi ay Easy 2 Lotto, Suertres Lotto, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.